picture of me.
Okay.
Take a picture of Phillip.
Okay, I'll take a picture of Phillip. All right, Phil.
Okay, go ahead. Go. Go. Go, go, Phillip, go. Go, go, Phillip, go. Go, go, Phillip, go. Go, go, Phillip, go.
No, we have on my
Go faster, Phillip. Go faster.
Go, go, Phillip.
The faster you go, the easier it is to balance.
Go ahead, keep on.
Keep going, faster.
Go ahead.
Faster.
Go, go, Phillip, go.
Good job. Look at him go.
Yeah, go ahead.
Keep
Go
going.
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, Phillip. Yay.
Are you proud of your brother?
Go, Phillip. Go. Keep going.
Yay.
Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Come on.
Faster. The faster you go, the easier it is to balance.
And he's in his snow boots.
Come on, Phillip.
Snow boots. Come on, faster.
Come on. Hurry up. Hurry. Yay.
3 laps.
You did a great job there, Phillip.
Extra time.
Yes, you're staying up late tonight. Oh, look at Matthew. Look at Matthew. You're so proud of him.
So sweet.
Oh, he's so proud of you. Now you can do it yourself. You don't need me to start pushing you. You can do this. This is easy.